Hello, hello. Today we are working on E87 BMW, and it came with a problem of intermittent starting and not starting. Basically, sometimes it starts, sometimes it doesn't. You may think that the problem would be a starter. However, when we start the car and we try to start the car, the starter spins freely, well, quickly. Also, we do live in northern countries where we get salt, cold winters, and I believe it's gonna be another big problem on E87s, which is a positive cable. If you have a problem, you believe you have problem with positive cable, you can simply just try checking volt drop between front of the engine and the battery. But I've already before filming checked that. There is some volt drop. However, I already went underneath the car and saw rusted out, oxidized positive cable. So first thing we checked is the positive cable, which you already can see it's fully oxidated. Like if we touch it, it's gonna jump into our eyes. And if we try to move it, shake it, basically it's just about to break. And that cable rusted out, but in decent shape. Of course, we will be changing both of those cables. But before we do anything, we need to not break those terminals. So we're just gonna use some lubricant like WD-40, and hopefully we will manage to unbolt those bolts. Okay, so we successfully managed to remove those cables. As you can see here, it's fully oxidized. Well, still not broken, but it's not in really great condition. Also, those terminals doesn't look too bad. We will just gonna clean those. We did our first part. We trimmed the cable. We're gonna do the same with this cable. Then we're gonna put in the isolation, and that's gonna be us finished with the positive cable. So we replaced both terminals. We put some grease that it wouldn't oxidize so much. We also put some sleeve, protective sleeve, that it wouldn't be touching the chassis, just in case, you know. Yeah, that's fixed. And we can try to check. It starts. It still starts. Hopefully it's not gonna be a problem anymore with intermittent starting. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful or interesting. Sorry that I didn't show that much like actual working, but only like results, stuff like that. But I still hope you found it interesting, and I will try to show it more like next video. Thank you guys once again, and see you next time.